Two great tools for when you're working on the timeline are the slip and the slide tool. You'll find them in the toolbar here. They occupy the same button position, so you have to hold and so if I click here, you'll see slip is the top one, and below that is the slide tool. And it's quite often easy to confuse what one or the other does, but they are kind of interrelated. So demonstrating the slip tool first. So if I select slip and then click and hold it over a clip. Now what you'll notice is that the timeline monitor will change, and although the clip is not moving in the timeline, the start and end point are. So it's showing me the beginning and end frames. Now because we're coming from black, in the top left there's just a black, but we can see the frame that we go to, which is that shot of the bridge. But by slipping this, I can determine where in this larger clip I actually want the duration to begin and end. So that's slipping, and it's closely related to cousin sliding. I could hold this. This takes a clip, so again I click and hold over a particular clip, but what it will do is it will keep the existing in and out points but simply move it along the timeline. So you'll notice now this actually does make a difference. This again is showing me the out point that I'm changing it to. It's black before that, so it's not making a difference. So maybe if I leave that there, now try it on this clip, I should get, you can see now I've got the shots before and afterwards, and I'm able to move that clip along the timeline. So that's the slip and the slide tools.